Good morning to all. Today, I'm going to solve some of the simplex method problem due to some time problem. So that previous classes already maintain certain speed. Today, I try to reduce speed, please, and try to understand the given problems and etc. So, use use simplex method simplex method maximize z is equal to 5x1 plus 3x2 subject to constraint x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 2, 5x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 10, and 3x1 plus 8x2 less than or equal to 12, x1 comma x2 greater than or equal to 0. This is a problem. Actually, in these equations, the equation contains two variables only. But if you sometimes in examination point of view, if the examiner is not mention the simplex method, better to go to graphical method, or otherwise if the simplex method wants means you have to apply the simplex method principles only. No, as per our some logic point, please refer my previous notes. In the previous points, it is a less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Less than or equal to means you have to introduce a slack variables. It is a artificial variables and a slack variables. Because the given equations are inequality equations. Please try to convert inequality equations to equal equations. Suppose if you want to convert inequality equations to equal equation, you have to introduce slack variable. It means that that is equal to x1 plus x2 plus 1s1 equal to 2, like this. So this is equal to 5x1 plus 2x2 plus 1s2 equal to 10. This is a 3x1 plus 8x2 plus 1s3 equal to 12. Now come to this point. x1, x2 all are commas. x3, s1, s2, s3 greater than or equal to 0. Come to the point of objective function. So how to convert this equation? It means that 5x1 plus 3x2, here is only we are introducing slack variable, so that 0s1 plus 0s2 plus 0s3. In a previous class already I told you some important point, that is equal, because the simplex method is a purely connected unit matrix. What are the unit matrix here? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is the point. Now, so once if you convert inequality equations to equal equation, first step, convert into inequality equations to equal equations. Next, go to simplex table. So this is the simplex table. Simplex table is a constant tabular form. Understand? So that is equal. Now come to this point. So please draw two horizontal lines. This is the CI, ith column. This is the basic variables, and come to this point. First to draw the column wise. Next, solution values, and next one, x1, how many variables? x2, s1, s2, s3, and minimum ratio. The last values are minimum ratio. This is the fixed tabular form. Now on that one, please you copy these values. It means that these are the, I mean to say this values is called as Cj values. In Cj means take the objective function. This is called as a objective function. Maximum is objective function. Objective function. In objective function, what are the coefficients? 5, 3, 0, 0, 0. So that you write down here 5, 3, 0, 0, 0. Finish. Now go to the equation. Sorry. Solution values. What are the meaning of solution values? After equal to, these are called as a solution values. After equal to, the given equation values are called as a solution values. It means that 2, next 10, next 12. Come to the x1 value. First equation, take the first equation. Please enter in that simplex table only coefficient. Here is a 1. Write down 1 here. The second equation 1 here. Another one is a 1 here. No S2. Please write down 0 and a 0. Go to the second equation. Coefficients 5, 5 and 2, and there is a no S1. Please write down 0. S2 is there. 1. No S3. Please write down 0. Okay. Now come to this point. Yes. Yes. Come to this point. So 0 S1. See, because the 90% of the simplex problem is depends on unit matrix. See the unit matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. 1 is there. 1 means what are the corresponding unit matrix is there? A third one, third equation. Please enter the third equations also. 3, 8 and 0, 0, 1. So after that, first you draw the horizontal line. Horizontal line. Now, so because I am not entering the values are Cj and basic variable. See the unit matrix. Unit matrix is from here only 1, 0, 0. 1. What are the top values? 0, S1. You have to write down here 0, S1. Go to the second line. 1 is there. So what are the top values? 0, S2. So write down 0, S2. Go to this third. 0, S3. 0, S3. Please, dear student, what I'm for enter the value. Please here. The maximum value, please, I repeat once again. The question is given like the use a simplex method. The problem is given like this. Now, less than or equal to. According to our, of logical point, if the less than or equal to given, that this type of equations are called as a inequality equations. Please try to convert inequality equations to equal equations. So if you want to convert inequality equations to equal equations, so you have to introduce slack variables. Slack variables means S1, so that 1 S1. Then write down inequality to equal equations 2. Inequality equation equal 10, like this only. After that, take all values and enter into the simplex table. Simplex table means these are the fixed values, Ci, basic variable, in basic variable, or sometimes it is called a BV shortcut. Solution value SV. So x1, because in 3 equations contains only 2 variables, x1, x2, s1, s2 and s3. The last value is the minimum ratio. Now please enter into the coefficients of the first equations. Here is the 1. So that write down 1 here. It is the 1. Write down here. So here is the 1, S1, 1, remaining no S2, no S3. Go to the second equation, 5, 2, 5, 2, 0, 1, 0, 3, 8, 0, 0, 3. So what are the solution after equal to? After equal values are called as the solution values 2, 10, 12, 2, 10, 12. Now how to enter the 0 S1, 0 S2, 0 S3 mean? Please see here. Here is a unit matrix available here only. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. 1 is there. What are the top values? 0, S1. So that write down 0, S1. 1 is there. Second point, 0, S2, 0, S3. So I think you are already able to, understand this point. Please come to next, how to calculate the, please refer my steps. The next value is ZJ. How to calculate ZJ values? ZJ values. The main point in the ZJ is ZJ values is ZJ. It means that sigma Ci into Xi, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3, where I is equal to 1, 2, so on. So it will Ci means see there 0 into 1. So it may, for example, take this first divide 0 into 1 plus 0 into 5 plus 0 into 2. So almost all it is equal to 0. Write down 0 here. Go to the second value 0 into 1 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 8, 0. So like this 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0, 0. So that is also 0 and 0. Next step, please refer my steps, refer my notes. Cj minus Zj. So Cj minus Zj means, so come to this point, Cj minus Zj. It means like this and like this. So this Cj means already you know to see the top value, Cj here, Zj here. So 5 minus 0, write down 5 here, 3 minus 0, 3, 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0. So how will you get the value? Cj minus Zj, already Cj top row value 5, Zj is equal to 0, so 0, 5. So next come to this point here, next this is called as a key column and this is called as a key row. This is a key column, this is called as a key row, and this is called as a key element. Now how to calculate the first key column? So out of Cj, of the maximum value which present in the Cj minus Zj value. For example, here is a 5, here is a 3, remaining all values are equal to 0. So the maximum value is a 5. Sir, suppose if you have 5 here, again if you have a 5, which column is suitable for the key column? You select any one if the same values. So better to select, here is a 5. So make one column. So this is called as a key column. Key column is connected to maximum value. Over. Next, key row. How to find the key row value? The basic formula for this one is a minimum ratio SV by Kc. Solution value by key column. What are the solution value? 2. Key column is 1. So 2 divided by 1, that is equal to 2. Okay, 10 divided by 5. So 10 divided by 5, that is also 2. 12 divided by 3, that is also 4. For key column, select the maximum value column value. For key row, select the minimum value, minimum. So here is a 2 is a minimum, 2 is a minimum. You select anyone. So this is anyone. So this is a degeneracy problem. This type of problems are called as degeneracy. Repeated. So better to make one box. So this is called as a key column values. So this is a like this. Okay, now come to this point. Next, how to continue the problem. It means that now see this one. So please write down this, please continue the problem here and here, like this. Right, come to this point. It means that key row, key column, it indicates that you have to change the values which are present in the key row and the key column first. That is the first step. What are the first step here? We have to change the elements in a key row and a key column. Please concentrate on key row and key column only. Forget about the all values. That is a secondary. Now come to the key row first. Here is 0 S1. We see, listen here, key row and key column intersecting here. So what are the top values? 5x1. Instead of 0 s1, you have to write down 5x1. So remaining 0 S2, don't write down as it is, 0 S3 as it is. See, listen, 5x, how will you get this 5x1? Key row, this is the key row and a key column intersecting here. What are the top values? 5x1. So remove this 0s1, write down 5x1. Okay, already this CI basic values are already received. Now come to this point. So how to calculate the solution values? The next step, take this key element value, please take this key element value, divide to remaining values which are present in the key row. Take these key element values, divide to elements which are present in the key row. I mean 2 divided by 1, 2, 1 divided by 1, 1, 1 divided by 1, it means 1 divided by 1, 1. Next 1 divided by 1, 0 divided by 0, 0 divided by 0. Sometimes suppose if it is a 3 is there, key element is a 3. So that 2 divided by 3, you have to write down 2 divided by 3, you have to write down 2 divided by 3 only. Sometimes if it is a 3, 2 divided by 3. If it is a 4 is there, 4 divided by 3, 1 divided by 3. But luckily here is only 1, so that is no problem. So now come to this point. So key row values almost all calculated. Now how to calculate the key column values? Already one is there. Already I told you so many times. Simplex problem is mainly connected to unit matrix. Already one is there, remaining 0 and 0. See here, key row and key column already calculated. Again, I'll repeat once again. So how to calculate the next iteration value? Now it means that key column, after calculation, after identifying the values of the key row and key column, key element value, go to the next step. If the key row and key column is intersecting here, it means that please remove 0s1, write down 5x1, write down 5x1 here. The next, because key row is not here, so that write down as it is, 0s2, here is 0s3 as it is. Now come to this point, key element. So divide it to all elements, 2 divided by 1, write down here. Suppose sometimes it is a 3, write down 2 by 3, and don't use your calculator, don't convert into decimals, please, fractions only. In the simplex table, you don't have right to values in the decimals, only fraction only, that's all. So 1 divided by itself 1, 1 divided by 1, 11. So the remaining values this and this one. So for the key column, write down 0 and 0, because key column is purely connected to unit matrix. Now come to the remaining, how column. If you refer any standard textbooks, they are using different types of techniques, right? Like this row operation, Gauss-Jordan method. That method is also correct. So better to use some logical point, easy method. That method is, see, listen, this please, A minus B into C by D. This is very, very important. Easy problem. Don't apply the R2 minus R1 by R3. Like that. Of course, if you are perfect in Gauss-Jordan method, better to use that method is correct. But without using any Gauss-Jordan method, simply apply only logical method. Logical method means, for example, how to calculate this value. See, let this as A. Simple point. Let this as A. The top values B. The side, this column C, and key element D. Simple thing. Because I need this value, so that the second, this one value, so this value. So how to write this value? Let this, because second row is connected to the second point A, and this B, A straight C, and this as a D. So what are the basic formula? A means 10 minus B 2 into C. C means 5 by D means 1. Okay, so 10 minus 10, that is equal to 10 minus 10, that is equal to 0. Please write down 0 here. Next go to same thing. Let this as A. Listen, this as A. The top value is B. And a key column, always concentrate key column C and D. AB will be changes. First For this value, calculate A. This is A. The top B. Go to key column C and this D. The next A, B, and A key column opposite value C and D. Use the basic formula. A means 2 minus B 1 into C 5 by D 1. So 2 minus 3. Go to this 0 minus 1. This is A. Same thing. This is the A. Use your better to, and this is B. A straight C, and key element is a constant. D values are constant. So that 0 minus, I mean to say that is equal to to minus 5. So this is the minus 5. Go to this one. Say A, simple like this, and B, A straight C and D. So that apply this one. This is called as a 1. Same thing, A and B, A and B, A straight C and D. So that this is equal to 0. Go to the third value, like same thing, A, the top values B, top is key row values B, A straight, this is C. For the second row, C is a different. So this is C, because C, the values of the C is always opposite of to the A in the key column. It means that, so 12, A means 12 minus 3 into A minus B, 2 into C means 3 by 1. So that 6. Am I right? So please write down 6. Go to this one. A. Same thing. Same apply. Better to use in pencil. Calculate the A value. A opposite B. Same thing. Key column. A is always depends on key row value and key column values. That's all. So A means that is equal to 8 minus 1 into 3 by 1. 8 minus 3, 5. Okay, I like this. So this is A, B, A straight C and D. So if you apply same method, the I mean to say that minus 3, go to same thing 0 and the same thing 1. Next same values. After this, please calculate ZJ values. ZJ. So what are the basic formulas of ZJ? Please refer. ZJ is equal to sigma Ci into Xi. Sigma means summations. Add. Remember 5 into 1 like this. 5 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0. It means that 5 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0. Let's write down 5. Next, same thing. 5 into 1 plus 0 into minus 3, 0. 0 into 5, 0. So that 5. Go to this. 5 into 1 plus 0. 5. Same. 5 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0. So that is equal to 0, 0. Same thing. Now, after that, please draw the row. Next, go to same step. Cj minus Zj. Already you have the Cj is equal to top row values are called as a Cj values. So what are the Cj here? 5. 5 minus 5, 0. 3, see, 3 minus 0 for the first iteration, minus 2. 0 minus 5, minus 5. 0 and 0. Stop the problem. Sir, how to know whether I'm continue the problem or not means, here, please everyone, the values of Cj minus Zj, zeros or negatives, all values are zeros or negatives, immediately stop the problem. Sir, if you have any one problem in a variable, again you have to continue key column and key row operations. So what had, so in the question is maximization. Please refer this. This is the maximum problem. So please refer the question. Objective function is a maximization. So what are the value in, please note down, note in maximization case, the values of Cj minus Zj all are zeros or negatives. Negative. So the problem is completed. So what are the values? See, listen. Therefore, what are the values of x1 and x2? Therefore, x1 equal to, see this opposite value 2. Don't take 5x1, only x1 2. No x2 in this one. There is a no x2. So that x2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the maximum objective function maximize z is equal to, what are the z value here? 5x1 plus 3x2. Okay, so that 5 into x1 2 plus 3 into 0. So 5 2s are 10. So this is the correct answer. Yes. Dear students, now I am going to solve 3 variables problems in a simplex method. Already 2 variables, particularly in the case of maximization is work. Just I am going to step by step. Once if you complete 2 variables, better to go to 3 variables like maximization and minimization problems. Like now, so 3 variables means, and come to this point, solve the in examination point of view, the problem is given like this. So what are the problem here? Problem is given like this. The following solve the following LP problem using simplex method. So the question is, objective function maximize z is equal to 10x1 plus 15x2 plus 20x3. So now subject to constraints 2x1 plus 4x2 plus 6x3 is a less than or equal to 24. Next go to 3x1 plus 9x2 plus 6x3 less than or equal to 30. x1 comma x2 x3 greater than or equal to 0. Now problem is given like this. Now what are the first step? Please try to convert inequality equations to equal equation. Step number 1. Inequality equation. How to convert the inequality equation equal equation? The problem is given less than or equal to. For the less than or equal, better to introduce slack variable. It means that, so that is equal to 2x1 plus 4x2 plus 1s1 equal to 24. Finish. Now go to the second equation. So 3x1 plus 9x2 plus 6x3 plus plus 6x3 come to this point because already is there. So this 1s3, that's 1s3, 6x3 is there, and this. So already so 4x2 plus first equation come to 6x3 plus 1s1 equal to 24. So this is the 3x1 plus 9x2 plus 6x3 plus 1s2 equal to 30. So this is equal to x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma s1 comma s2 greater than or equal to 0. Now the first, this equation, how to convert this equation? This is very important point. Objective function z is equal to, so 2x 10x1 plus 15x2 plus 20x3, because introduce only two slack variables only, so 0s1 plus 0s2. Finish. Now once if we convert inequality to equal equation, the next step, please try to enter the coefficients value in the simplex table. So how to write the simplex table here? How to draw this? I mean of a simplex table. This is a fixed simplex table. I mean, this is a table. So this is a CI BV, basic variable. Next, solution value, SV, shortcut, solution value. So in the two equations, I have three variables. So x1, go to x2, go to x3. Next, slack variables only two, s1, s2, and the last column, minimum ratio. Finish. Okay, now please better to erase this one. Okay. Okay. Now the top values, please again for same constant, this, and once the simplex table format is over, now how to enter the coefficients. So take the SV. What are the meaning of the SV? After equal values are called as a solution value. These two values are called as a solution values. So 24 and it's called as a 30. Finish. X1 means first equation. First equation means 2, 4, coefficients only. 6, 1, no S2. Go to the second equation. 3, 9, 6, 0, 1. Next. So after that, this is called as a CJ. CJ value. What are the CJ values? CJ values is nothing but objective function values. That's all. These are 10, 15, 20, 0 and 0. So how to enter the values in CI and basic variable? See the unit matrix. Unit matrix here. Unit matrix available here only. 1, 0, 0, 1. 1 is there. What are the top values? Please write down 0 S1. Write down 0 S1. Go to the second unit matrix 1, because the simplex table is a 100% is connected to unit matrix. So 1 is there. What are the 1 here? Top value 0 S2. So 0 S2. Now draw a horizontal. So the next step, ZJ, same procedure. Okay, ZJ, please, again I'll repeat once again. So the question is given like this: maximize z is equal to 10x1 like this, and subject to constraint is given. The first step is convert inequality equations to equal equations. Inequality, how to convert the inequality equations to equal equation? The equations are given less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means if you want to convert any less than or equal to equal equation, we have to introduce slack variables according to our of point. So please write down 1s1 equal to 24, because inequality to convert into equal. Next go to inequality to equal 1s2. So next come to the objective function 10x1. Already this equation is given 10x1 has to, because the values of slack variables is equal to 0 in objective function. So always write 0 and 0. Once that part is completed, next draw the simplex table. Simplex table is a fixed CA BV means basic variable, solution values. So in that equation, the equation contains only three variables, x1, x2, x3. So that write down x1, x2, x3. Next is s1 and s2. So that next one is a, please write down the coefficients. This is the 2, next 4, next 6, 1 is there. There is no s2. Next second equation 3, next 9, 6, 0, 1. Over. Next this. How to enter the and how to calculate the C and basic variable values means see the unit matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. 1. What are the corresponding values? 0, S1. Write down 0, S1. 1 is there. What are the corresponding values? 0, S2. 0, S2. Over. Next point, ZJ. So already I told you ZJ. What is the basic formula for the concept of ZJ? ZJ is equal to sigma Ci into Xi, where I is equal to 1, 2, so on, 3, 4, etc. It means 0 into 2, take this one, 0 into 2 plus 0 into 3, 0 into 3, so all equal to 0. So that write down 0 here. Next go to 0 into 4 plus 0 into 9, 0. Again 0 into 6 plus 0 into 6, 0. Next 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0. So that is equal to 0, 0. Okay. Once ZJ value is over, please draw the horizontal line. Next step, Cj minus ZJ. Same thing. Okay. Cj minus ZJ. So what are the Cj values? Cj values is nothing but objective function value. Top row values Cj. 10 minus 0. 10. 15 minus 0. 15. 20 minus 0. 20. 0 minus 0. 0. 0. So out for the key column. Now what are the our conditions? So this is a call as a key column. This is a key row. This is a key column. This is called as a key column, and this is a key row, and this point is called as a key element. Key element. Come to this point. So out of these Cj minus Zj values, better to select the maximum positive value. Maximum positive value. This is the maximum positive value. So that take this value for the key column. Okay, students. So key column. How to identify the key column values means in Cj minus Zj, select maximum positive value. If we have two same maximum value, select any one. There is no restriction. Now come to this minimum ratio. What are the basic point for the minimum ratio formula? SV by Kc. Solution value by key column. What are the solution value here? 24. 24 divided by 6. 24 divided by 6, that is equal to 4. 30 divided by 6. 30 divided by 6, that is equal to 5. Select the minimum value. Minimum value means this. For key column, select maximum positive value. For key row, select the minimum positive value. So for the minimum positive value means this one. So this is called as a key row. This is called as a key row. Finish. Now what are the next step? You have to change the value key row and key column first. That is a very important point. So what are the point here? So how to calculate the values, how to change the values in the key row and key column. It means that first you see this key row and key column intersecting here at the key element, that is called as a key element. This is 6. It means that you have to change the element in the key row and key column. Key row means remove 0 S1 because this is intersecting value here. So what are the top values? 20 x2. So please write down. So this is a 20 x2. 20 x2. So the remaining values are, this is values are 0 s2 as it is. 0s2 as it is. Understand? Now come to this point, 0s2 as it is. So that is it. Now how to calculate? Take this key element, divide it to elements which are present in the key row. So how to change the values in the key row means take a key element value, change or divide it to element which are present in the key row. 24 divided by 6, 4. 2 divided by 6, 1 by 3. 4 divided by 6, 2 by 3. 6 divided by 6, 1. 1 divided by 6, 1 by 6, 0. So this 6, take this 6, divide to all elements. 24 divided by 6, 2 divided by 6, 4 divided by 6, like this. 1 divided by 6, 0 divided by 6. So once if you get 1 for the key column, remaining values are 0 because these are connected to unit matrix. Now the how to calculate the remaining value? See, already we are changed in the values which are present in the key row and key column. Finish. Now go to the second one. How to calculate these key row value? Same thing, our basic formula, logic formula. What are the logic formula? A, understand, A minus B into C by D. Simple formula. If you refer any textbooks, in the textbook they are adopted different types of methodology like R1, R2, row operation like a Gauss-Jordan method. If you are perfect in method, better to take this as a, I mean to say that R1 and R2 like this. Otherwise, better to use this method. What are the, which is the A? Like take this simple point A and top key row always B. A straight key column C and this is a D. Simple thing. What are the values? 30 minus B 24 into C 6 by 6. So 6 cancel, 34 minus, write down 6 here. Go to second one. Let this as A. Simple thing. Top B. Right side always key column side C and D. Same thing. 3 minus 6, 3 minus 2 B because 2 into C 6 by 6. So 6 is 3 minus 2 1. Same thing. This is A. Understand? Top B, A straight C and D. Okay, and C and D. So this is, if you use our methodology, you will get as a 5. Already is there. So same thing. A and this as a B and A straight to C and D. Same formula, A minus B into C by D. Same. So that is equal to, what are the value here? 0 minus minus 1. So this is equal to 1. After that, draw the horizontal line. Same, ZJ. So what are the ZJ value here? Same. See the ZJ value sigma CA into Xi, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, etc. It means that 20 into 1 by 3 plus 0 into 1. 20 into 1 by 3 plus 0 into 1, that is a 20 by 3. Don't convert into decimals. Always give the first preference to only fraction. 20 into 2 by 3 plus 0 into 5. So 40 by 3. 20 into 1 plus 0. So 20. 20 into 1 by 6 plus 0 into this. So 10 by 3. Because 20 into 1 by 6, 10 2s are 3 2s are. So this is equal to 0. Next, Cj minus Zj, same procedure. Cj minus Zj. Cj minus Zj. So come to this point. In the Cj minus Zj, it means Cj, what are the Cj? In the top value is 10. See the, here is a 10. Here is a 10. 10 minus 20 by 3. 10 minus 20 by 3. Take LCM 3. 30 minus 20. 10 by 3. So 10 by 3. Like the 15 minus 40 by 3. 5 by 3. Okay, 0, same thing, minus 10 by 3, 0. So the problem is not completed. The values of Cj minus all values are zeros or negatives, but here is a 0, 0, negative, but these are 2 are positive. It indicates that the problem is not completed. Again, you have to apply minimum row and minimum column values. Out of these two, which is the maximum value? 10 by 3, because 5 by 3 is lower than the 10 by 3. So better to select key column. This is the key column value. Same thing, go to the minimum ratio. How to identify the key element, I mean of key row value. Key column is over. Key row is nothing SV by KC. What is the SV here? 4 divided by 1 by 3. So that is equal to 4 divided by 1 by 3. That is a 12. And 6 divided by 1. That is equal to 6. Select the minimum value for key row. For key row. Over. So again, please continue the same thing. That's all. There is no confusion. Only the thing is just apply your common sense and create some interest. That's all. It is a purely mathematical subject and a purely scoring subject also, because 20x3 as it is. What are the main point? You have to change the values first in key row and key column. So what are here is a key element. One is that this key column and a key row intersecting here. What are the corresponding values? 10x1. So that 10x1. There is a no key row here. So take this element, key element, divide it to all elements which are present in the key row. Take these key row values, divide it to all elements in the key row. It means 6 divided by 1. Write down 6. 1 divided by 1, 1. 5 divided by 5, 5. 0 divided by 0. Minus 1 divided by 1, minus 1. 1 divided by 1. So sometimes it is supposed to say that 7. 6 divided by 7, like this only. Depends upon the given problem. Now, if 1 is there, after that write down 0, because key column is always connected to the unit matrix. See, key row and key column values are over. The next, how to calculate the values of the remaining of the first row. Same thing. A. Apply our method. A. This is the B. A castrite C. And key element is a D. That's all. Simple thing. What are the values? 4 minus B into C. 6 into 1 by 3 by 1. So this is a 2 times 4 minus 2. Write down 2 here. Like this here. 2 by 3. A. This is the B. A castrite C. And D is a common element of the key row. Okay. Key row. Suppose apply the condition. You will get minus 1. Like this. A. Understand? A. This is the B. A castrite. This key element, always key column C and D. Apply our condition so that you will get, this is 0, 1. And the next one, same thing. A, B, A castrite C and D. Apply here is, after that apply 1 by 2. And this is a 1 by 3. Same thing, same apply. A minus B into C by D. After that, calculate ZJ. What are the ZJ values here? ZJ values are, understand, Cj minus come to this point. What are the ZJ values here? ZJ is another sigma Ca into Xi. Okay. Oh, in the previous problem, already I'll enter into the previous problem. Okay. because the problem is in the previous problem, where is the first